welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna Monet. If this is your first time here, then welcome. And if you're back to see your girl, then hey, thank you so much for coming back. So today I do have a headband wig that was sent over from Hurela Hair. Thank you so much, Hurela, for sponsoring today's video. I really do appreciate it. Right now, I'm just showing you the unboxing, a few items that came in the package. I did receive a few headbands, a wig cap, and of course, the wig. So as you can see, the wig is a very pretty jerry curl texture. The curls were popping, very gorgeous. I did go ahead and wash the wig with a cleansing co-wash conditioner. I will place that image on the screen in case you want to pick it up. But that's what I used to wash the hair, and then I just let it air dry. Okay, so this is how the unit is looking after I washed her and I let her air dry for about 2 days. So the curls are nice and juicy. They are pretty as ever. Here's the cap construction of the unit. She does come with that standard black headband already attached with the Velcro. Snap, snap. And she has one comb in the front, one comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Before I put her on, I'm just going to take my Got2b gel and a brush and do my edges really fast. Now underneath, I do have my hair like I always have it in my 2 ponytails, crisscrossed with some bobby pins, and then a wig cap on top. And then you take the 2 pieces that Velcro together and you snap it in the back. And this is how the unit is looking straight on my head. She's cute. Now, to keep your wig from sliding around, I normally have on a wig grip underneath, but I couldn't find mine in time for this video, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take my chances with her on my head and the Velcro. The first thing I'm already gonna do, if you're familiar with my channel, you know I like big hair, so I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and comb out these curls, baby. Comb them out. The hair feels really, really soft, and I have not gotten any shedding while combing her, no tangles while combing her. The hair quality feels great. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, time for the other side. Okay, so I'm all finished combing her out, and this is the amount of shedding I got. I hope you can see that. It is very extremely minimal. So for all this hair, 24 inches of curly hair, that is awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the specs of this unit. I'm going to read it to you straight from their website. This is the Hurela high quality headband wig, jerry curl, 100% human virgin hair, 150% density, virgin hair, afro wig, headband, natural black. That's a long title, but that's the title they have on their website, okay? I have mine in 24 inches as I mentioned, and the price of that unit is $192.63. Now that is on the higher end of the prices of some of the other units I reviewed on my channel. However, like I say in my videos, you do get what you pay for. And when I tell you that the quality and the density of this hair is amazing, it is soft and unproblematic. For this hair to be so full and curly, you get what you pay for. And I do have a coupon code that will be linked in the description box as well. So that will help take a couple coins off of the total price. Okay, so let's get into my thoughts on this unit. Y'all already know I like her. Y'all already know I am feeling this one. But this unit is definitely big head friendly. Not all the headband wigs are big head friendly. Some of them can feel like a little tighter than other ones. But this one feels very large, very comfortable. So all head sizes should be good to go. The color and the style of this unit was already mentioned, natural black, and this is the jerry curl texture and 24 inches long, and I am loving this volume, okay? So this is how long the unit is falling on me. I am 5'4", and she's stopping about here. This unit is definitely beginner friendly, so beginner friendly. You just slick back your hair, pop on this wig with the Velcro, add your favorite headband, and you're good to go. Oh yeah, and that's another thing. I'm just wearing it with the standard black headband that comes on the unit. They did send over some cute headbands for us to try, as you saw in the unboxing. So I'm going to get into some of those headbands in a little bit. The luster and the density of this unit is amazing. This is 150% density, as was mentioned when I read off the specs. But once you like comb it out and tease it out, it gets even bigger and better. Now, let's say you really don't like the volume. You kind of like how the curls were tamed and put together when I first put the wig on. All you would do is take some water in a spray bottle and take your favorite curl cream, leave-in conditioner, mousse, anything like that, and kind of run your hands through the curls. And they're just going to kind of shrink back down to that tame and defined look. So as I mentioned, they did send over a few headbands for us to try. So now I'm just going to get into a few different headband looks and ways you can style this hair. The thick headbands are also good for anyone suffering from a loss of edges or thinning edges. You can pull it up and disguise those very easily. So nobody is left out of this trend. Even if you experience hair loss, you can still rock a headband wig. And I've also found that the thick headbands are really good for up styles. They just give you like better coverage. My favorite way to wear her is down, just because this is a lot of hair to manipulate, as you saw, but it can be done. You can still style her a bunch of different ways, and I just wanted to show that even though it's a struggle, it's still doable. So that pretty much brings me to the end of this review. If you enjoyed it, then please don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can always be notified when I post. Follow my Instagram at Deanna_Monet so you can keep up with all my content. And I would also like to once again thank Hurela Hair for sending me over this unit to review. This is gorgeous, honey. gorgeous. Quality and texture. You can't beat that. So check out the description box if you're interested in purchasing this unit. Once again, I do have a coupon code that you can use, and that will be down there also. I thank you so much for watching this video in full, for supporting my channel and rocking with me, and I will catch you later.